Alright, you guys, before you go, I just want you to see how I remove this tape-in extensions from the Jeanette collection. Now what you see here is two of them stuck together, okay? And for the install, they do recommend you press it with a flat iron. I was a little sketchy about that. I'm like, I don't trust it too much. Plus, I also knew that I was gonna have it in for a short period of time, and I just didn't want to rip my hair out just in case. So I don't recommend you press it with the heat. The glue will melt, or I should say the tape will melt. So that's entirely up to you. Just know that you will have to purchase their product that is to remove the tape ins. Okay, so I'm just gonna use some oil. You can grab any type of oil. I'm gonna use my SWANK'D Organics infused oil. You wanna go ahead and place it at the top. Okay, and then just let it sit for 10 seconds, up to 30 seconds. You can rub it in. Okay, and let it seep through. All right, and then what you want to do is slowly work your way down. Once you get an opening, you can go ahead and apply more oil. Okay, and voila, make sure you're not ripping your hair. You want minimum to no tension. Rub it, rub it, rub it as you go. Okay. Now that's just one side. Let's check to see if any hair came out. No, that's good. So now when I get hair, my hair is on top of the last one, or the second tape in. So you just want to go ahead and massage it in, or you can just comb it, comb it, comb it. Okay. And then pull, and it should be coming off with ease. There you go. Let's check this one as well, see if I have any hair removal going on. None of my hair came out. This is the extension. So yeah, oil is going to be your best friend, or you can go ahead and purchase their additional products that comes with the tape ins. I have kept this in for 3 days. It was for a night event, so I didn't want to keep it in too long. I would recommend 2 weeks. Try not to flat iron your hair. If you do, you want to use heat protectant. But yeah, I would recommend this for females who have their hair relaxed. I definitely don't want you to use it if you have thin hair. So good luck.